Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the Fam Bam. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this deliciously sweet, spicy mango chicken wings, and per usual, I'm going to list all the ingredients down below in the description box. So let's get started. So for seasoning, I've gone in with a pinch of salt, a pinch of thyme, and a pinch of curry, and now I'm just going in with a pinch of lemon black pepper. And then I'm going to go in with some cornstarch, corn flour, same difference. And this is just basically to coat the chicken on the outside. It makes the chicken nice and crispy on the outside when you fry it, and really nice, moist and soft on the inside. So once I'm done giving this a good mix, I'm going to save this for later whilst we go in and prep our mango sauce. So here we have our mango, chili, ginger and garlic. So I thought I'd show you on camera how I cut my mango. So I basically go in and I cut in some vertical and horizontal lines, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. But I really enjoy doing this process. Obviously I decided to show. It looks so beautiful and neat once you're done. Guys, look at how amazing that looks. I just love it. So moving on to the frying now. I've gone ahead and heated my oil up to 350 degrees, and then I'm going to go in and pop in 5 pieces of chicken. You can see that there's enough space to add in more, but I'm not going to do that. The more chicken you put into your oil, you're going to drop the temperature of the oil, and you don't want to do that because you're going to end up kind of boiling your chicken in oil as opposed to frying it. So then I'm going to go ahead and fry the chicken on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes each. My oh my, how crispy does this look, guys? Love it. So now let's move on swiftly to prepping our sauce. So here I'm just going to add in all of those ingredients, and we're going to give this a good mix. Guys, it's important that you blend. You're very patient with this process, and you blend until your sauce is nice and creamy and soft and just smooth. So once you've achieved this smoothness, you're going to want to pour this directly into your pot, and then you're going to go in with 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or sugar, and then you're going to want to bring that to a boil for about 1 minute, and then add in your chicken. Guys, I do apologize. I did not realize at this point that my camera had stopped recording, but I promise that's all you're going to need to do is just add your sauce and bring that to a boil for about 1 minute, and then add in your chicken, and then let that cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, and then it's ready to be eaten, it's ready to be served. And then obviously I went in with some bell peppers, mixed bell peppers, just to garnish it just a tiny bit, make it look more beautiful. How saucy and nice does this look, guys? Really sticky and ooey gooey, nice chicken. So this is pretty much the finished product, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!